kahit kuman nga iti na barang kablahaw tunggal maysa, especially to our University President, Dr. Mixer Botet. Sabi nga nila, gwapong-gwapo, preskong-presko, in spite of the pandemic. Of course, to our 5 VPs here, Ma'am Ruby, Ma'am Cora, Sir Pao, Sir Mar, Sir Tulits. And of course, yung mga nandito po, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. And of course, from the different campuses of PSU, from Infanta, magandang hapon po sa inyo. Diyan sa Infanta, from Alaminos, magandang hapon po sa inyo. Lingayen, Bimali, Bayambang, San Carlos, Santa Maria, Asingan, and of course, Ordaneta. My report this afternoon is just make it simplified. Actually, I have already reported this during our faculty development forum. I just updated it this afternoon. No? This accomplishment report is not only mine, but this is our accomplishment report. First, you have the first three on the list. This has something to do with our CNA. This is our legal basis to negotiate for our CNA for this year 2020. First, the registration of the Faculty Association with the Civil Service Commission and the Department of Labor and Employment. Before we have already only the Xerox copy, but now we have the original copy of the certification. No? The second is the submission of the annual report. We have submitted already in 2019, last January 25, 2019. And then submission of our annual report for 2020. We have already submitted February 13, 2020. Take note, there are faculty members that failure to submit the annual report to CC and DOLE as required under PACE LMC Resolution Number 2, Series of 2017, dated March 14, 2017, means cancellation of the accreditation and registration. The fact that we have already submitted this report, then our registration remained. And this is, as I said, this is our basis for our negotiation for the 2020 CNE. So we expect that, and at this point, I would like to thank the PSU administration for the CNA. In 2018, we have 5,000. For 2019, we have 19,000. And I do expect that this 2020, 25,000. But it's not for me to declare, to say it, but it should be the administration to declare it. The fourth one is Faculty Development Forum. We have this November 22, 2019. Topics were discussed, very important topics about spirituality and moral recovery, benefits and obligation of pag-ibig members, benefit and obligation of GSIS members. Ito po ay binigyan ng emphasis kasi karamihan po sa atin ay doon lang po sa benefits po tayo. But nawawala po yung obligation po natin doon sa pinagkakautangan po natin. And then Education 4.0 by Dr. Pang, and then of course pumasok din po yung China Bank kung saan po tayo nagkaroon ng instant loan sa China Bank. And then another thing is our support to all the programs and activities of the PSU administration. No? Ako'y nagpapasalamat sa mga officers, ganoon din sa mga faculty. During programs and activities ay nandun po kayo. tumutulong para may uplift po natin ang ating Pangasinan State University during accreditation. Lahat po yan, PQA, IA, ISO, local program accreditation, lahat po ay nandun po tayo para may sulong po yung kapakanan ng ating university. And then for this pandemic, nagbigay din po tayo ng 20,000 to the frontliners through the PSU administration. Ngayon po, meron pong panukala ang Crisis Management Office. Ito ay propose adopt a student project. Pero nagyan ko po siya faculty because there are also faculty na in need ng mga kagamitan. So I'm proposing that 80,000 will be withdrawn from our bank intended for adopt a student project. Sabi ko 20,000 pero sabi ni Ma'am Ruby yung minute ko 40,000 daw. Adopt, pero yung adopt project is also 60 pero bibigay po natin yung 20 doon sa estudyante. So mayroon na po tayong 40. Meron kasi mga recruit na mga faculty na instructor 1 na hindi pa po sila established or stable na pili po natin tulungan. Kung ano po yung ibibigay sa estudyante, yun din po yung ibibigay po natin sa ating mga faculty or any kind. Next, sir. Ayan. Ito po yung unfinished business po natin. Supposedly, this first quarter ay nagawa po ito. No? Sinabi ko, nabanggit ko na po sa inyo ito noon, yung review sa ating constitution and bylaws, especially doon po sa date of election, replacement of vacant position, area members, and others. And then the collective negotiation agreement, which should be in consonance with the BIM circulars. Ayan. So, dapat po nagawa po sana itong quarter, saka second quarter, itong 2020, kaya lang because of the pandemic, hindi po natin nagawa. And pangalawa po sa hindi po natin nagawa ay yung election po ng new set of PSU officers. Supposedly first week of July. Naisip po namin kung paano po ito gagawin. Although nabanggit ko na po yung sa ating mga officers sa mga campuses na mag-ready na po, magiling na po ng mga campus officials ready for the election of new sets of officers. So this is my report. Thank you very much and God bless.